In this video, we'll be going over how to set up and use the QuickBooks integration in RepairDesk. We'll start by first going to Integrations from the left-hand bar, then moving over to the Accounting tab, and under the QuickBooks section, selecting Setup. On the QuickBooks screen, click on the Connect button to proceed. You'll be taken to the QuickBooks website, where you'll be asked to log in. Click on the necessary buttons to proceed. Once done, you'll be taken back to RepairDesk, where you can configure your settings. On the right-hand side, you'll see a number of options to assign different accounts from QuickBooks to RepairDesk. You can make the necessary selections using a drop-down list for each account. On the left, you'll see options to enable synchronization and mapping for your system. You can enable the ones you see fit so that they sync between both platforms. These include Account for Purchases, your Chart of Accounts, your Account for Sales, and your Tax class. When you're all done, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, let's go over to Finances from the left-hand bar and select All Invoices. Here, you'll be able to see records for all your invoices, along with a new field called QuickBooks Status. You can also filter invoices by their QuickBooks status by clicking on the filter icon in the left corner of the list, scrolling down the menu and clicking on the QuickBooks Status field and selecting the status you'd like to see. When you're done, click Apply. Now, let's go to one of our invoices by selecting them from the list. Here, you'll be able to see the details of all the items that are part of the invoice, along with the total amount. Over in QuickBooks, we have the exact same invoice with the same customer details, the same items, and the same total amount. This shows that our two systems are in perfect synchronization. In order to sync your items between each system, let's head to the Items in the left-hand bar and select Products. Here, we can select any product that's available to us. And on the left-hand side, we'll see a new option called Sync with QuickBooks. Click on it to enable synchronization. Your product will now be synced with QuickBooks automatically. You can also sync your customer database between QuickBooks and RepairDesk. Let's head over to the Customer section on the left-hand bar and select All Customers from the menu. Now, we'll select a customer entry. Over here, scroll down to find the Syncing with QuickBooks option and select Yes from the list. Then click on Update. Your customer will now be synced with QuickBooks. And that's how you can set up and use the QuickBooks integration in RepairDesk.